Hey guys, Zach Butler here with iTeachLexus and Peterson Lexus, ready to teach you how to work your 2015 Lexus NX climate control system. Let's get started. All right guys, we're looking at the climate control switches you'll probably use the most often. I don't know about you, but I find myself almost always going back to the simplistic design of these basic controls. Let's cover them real quick. Driver's temperature up and down, and you'll see the readout both here and up on your screen. Passenger temperature. It is a dual climate control system. So when the passenger changes his or her temperature, the dual light comes on. Remember that, because when that person gets out, you're going to want to come over here and turn off dual. That way the temperature is linear. Set that temperature at a comfortable setting like you do your thermostat at your house. Makes it so easy. Auto button incorporates all of that. Once you set this temperature and you kick on auto, it will maintain everything for you while you're driving. It just makes life so much easier. Turning the whole system off right here. Fan speed manual adjustment. Turns off auto when you do that. Manual direction of airflow adjustment. Changes the direction of the airflow manually. So if you want to kick it towards your feet, have towards your feet and defrost, manually do that, but then you'll need to incorporate in your fan speed. Auto overrides and does it all. It's really handy. Front defrost, very self-explanatory. Rear defrost along with a side mirror defrost, designed for 15 minutes on delay to defrost those side mirrors, get the ice and snow off of them. This is where you can turn on and off your recirculation of your cabin air. Recirculate your cabin air when you have your air conditioner on, which it automatically does that because it just saves so much energy and also cools the car down faster. If you want just fresh air coming in, you can manually turn off your AC right here. This here is the S-Flow. Lexus S-Flow is a revolutionary button and a revolutionary feature for climate control operation. S-Flow is an energy-saving flow, and it is designed as a special mode, so when I turn this on, it actually has occupant sensors to read and determine who needs the most air and only use air conditioning for that person. This is an on-off switch. I recommend using that a lot. Let's cover the switches down here, which is your heated seats and your ventilated seats. So driver heated seat, high, medium, and low. Driver ventilated seat pushes cool air up through this whole seat and makes it so comfortable in the summertime. High, medium, and low. Same thing on the passenger sitting over here. And then the hazard switch while we're here, having nothing to do with climate, but don't forget that in an emergency. Now let's cover the operation on your screen so you can see how that works for your climate control. All right, everyone, let's cover the climate control on your screen. So using your remote touchpad, I want you to hit the button in front of the remote touchpad that says menu. From the menu screen, you'll see the first icon on the left is your climate. So go ahead and gently feather it up to climate on your touchpad. Press down on climate. Now you're at your climate screen. This duplicates the same switches we just covered for driver temperature, passenger temperature, direction of airflow, and also our auto switch. Knowing when you set it in auto, it maintains it for you while you're driving. Then we can set this at a comfortable, moderate temperature while we're driving. We do have the ability, as always, to turn the whole system off right here, and also come in here and turn off and on dual climate. And then lastly, a switch that you do not have access to from the main set of switches is this one right here. This will turn on and off a dust and pollen filter to really clean that air coming in. That's a good one to remember. And then you can come right back either with your arrow back switch in front of your remote touch toggle or just using the toggle to get there. Outside temperature readout as well. This is the screen controls for auto climate and your climate control on your Lexus NX. Hope you're learning everything about your car and loving it. As always, text me, call me if you need anything at all. This is Zach Butler from iTeachLexus and Peterson Lexus. Have a great day.